So you want to create a new tag family and you want to place a label in the center here. And there is really no option to snap. You see, it doesn't snap anywhere. You can try to aim at the center, but it's probably not going to be in center. Let's go place a mark. And if you zoom in, you can see it's not centered. You can try align tool, but even in Revit 2027, it doesn't do anything. You cannot align anything. You cannot snap to the text. So what you can do, you can create a group. And if you create a group, then there is this bubble automatically centered in the middle. And then that's it. Use move and snap to the center on group. And remember to delete the detail group. And that's it, you're done. Okay, so let's ask Autodesk AI assistant. Maybe he can help us. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Open the tag family in the family editor, select the tag in your project, select the label you want to center. Use alignment guides when placing positioning labels. Use the reference planes and guides in the family template. The generated template includes central line guides to help you position labels correctly. Position the labels. Click and drag the label to align with the center of reference planes. The label will snap to the guides when properly centered. How are they snapping? There is no way to snap anything. It does not snap. Even the Autodesk assistant does not know what he's talking about. Add reference planes, load the family back. Yeah, so basically it gives us nonsense here. And that's it. I hope this helps. Have a great day and see you in the next one.